Hey there, a quick info about how you can enable disable shortcuts in a website. So you can either quickly access them using this pop-up and just enable disable them. So if let's say this more inside bar this is enabled, I can access this. But if I enable disable it from the pop-up, I can't access it. I'm pressing the key, but I'm unable to access. Let me show you the keys also. I'm pressing this, but it's not happening. When I enable it again, it's clicking. I can do the same for domain, but if I disable for domain, all the shortcuts for this twitter.com will be disabled. So any website on twitter.com or inside it, everything will be disabled. So let's say now also this doesn't work, and but if I just disable it globally, then no shortcuts on any website will work. Everything will be disabled. So it's like equivalent to disabling the whole extension. So let's say I haven't disabled for this youtube.com, so it's all of them are enabled. I can show you. So hide and show and hide description is enabled. If I disable it globally from here, and you can see that this is disabled globally, and now I can't access any shortcut, no shortcut. So this is a quick enable disable from pop-up, but you can also do the same from the options page. So open the options page using this pop-up, and you can go to a particular website and disable it for their domain, and you can just uh, go to the website settings and then find the shortcut you want to disable or enable, and you can click on these toggle switches also. So this will do the same thing. If I show you, if I disable it from here, as you can see, this more options is disabled and I can't use it. And also because they are already disabled from the pop-up, so I can enable it right now. And now twitter.com is enabled, and it's also disabled globally. So global settings can be accessed to this global uh, panel, and you can enable it globally, and then they are enabled. But this shortcut is disabled. So these are the ways from which you can just enable or disable shortcuts. So either from the options page or quickly from the pop-up.